Yes.
What we got here? Damn. Nice. Barcelona red, Corolla.
Yeah, honestly.
Wow. Seriously, Charlie?
Hey everybody!
You're out riding it?
I'm not riding it yet. They don't know.
Your voice just cracked. Are you in puberty?
Puberty! Got the hoist, new casters on it.
Are we gonna put Manuel on the rental cart?
You ruined the surprise. I'm gonna turn all the lights off and put the disco ball on it. Oh!
Looks.
Tell him to come back now. Too late.
Oh, sorry. What do we got here? Except for
We have not
Charlie.
rode one of these things yet.
Nope.
Charlie rode one a long time
I
ago.
did. Actually, I really want
Super
one.
drop, so I don't know. That one might be too much. They said-
I've experienced on one.
Huh.
I think it was a knockoff one, but
No, I saw the video. It was a razor one.
That's the one I think.
from what, 2017?
Yours is.
Oh my!
We're just gonna touch it.
Are you kidding me? This is the
And then I see
trick.
you got-
Is it riding good?
Yeah, this is the
No
trick.
depth perception. Oh, that's our beta tester.
You just let go.
No, you let go.
Cool story, bro.
DXT. It's gonna suck so bad stock.
But I don't think it's gonna
There's no
shred.
power to the back wheels. I thought it's just.
I don't
power to
know. The
front.
guy that does have this battery on one of these said that it was an absolute terrible thing that he had. But he's like, we never rode them. And then that's when we found that the battery fit. And now we don't stop riding them. Bumper.
What? Look at that. Drift Trike.
That's it right there, Charlie, right? KBD makes it.
Can I help? All right.
All right, here we're today.
Here we are, big one.
Thank you, Marlon. First things first.
Okay.
Where? Hardest part.
Official.
This is a DXT made by Razor.
Yeah.
So essentially this is a 3-wheel trike with sleeves on the back of air tires, and then it's powered by a 500 watt chain-driven motor up front here. So this is a product that's been on our list of wanting to expand into. So we have a battery upgrade that we're going to put in the back of it. So essentially we have broken when we got it. We now put new batteries in it. We're gonna ride it.
New stock batteries.
New stock batteries, yes.
New
New
36
fully
volt
charged stock battery.
batteries.
Correct.
To
And
see
none of
how-
us
see how terrible it is.
And none of us have rode one of these before. I've never ridden one. We have no idea really.
Charlie cheated. He was riding it last
I
night.
would believe-
probably.
I did not. I've been
You
not.
rode one a few years ago.
Let's show them that there's stock batteries in it.
Yep, so
Yeah.
basically on these carts you just flip this.
Look at that.
Right?
Very similar to your XL crazy cart,
Right. So this is still all 500 stuff, 500 watt controller,
right?
all stock stuff there.
Factory
Got
battery tie
tie-downs.
down here with your 2 little wing nuts.
Right,
Oh,
the
it's
normal,
just like an XL.
normal charge port.
Who's riding first?
I
We're
don't
gonna
know.
do,
We're gonna do
a
some
big rock paper.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
And if you lose, you win. So if we have scissors, and you have paper, you actually win.
Okay.
The one man out.
What? Oh, you have to.
the one man out will
So
actually
what are we
win.
at?
Alright.
So try and lose.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Doesn't work.
We
Doesn't work.
lost,
We
yeah.
both lost.
Both lost,
You're
so-
out.
Okay.
That makes no
no, redo.
So that would mean I would.
He won. He
Yeah, I
got.
would
He
win.
won. That means.
You doubled out and you got a paper.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won, right? Yeah.
He was trying to say lose. If you lose,
Yeah, it just.
you win. If
All right,
Whatever,
so
you
here's the
win,
approach.
you
You're
win.
going first. Nick's gonna put the head cam on so you guys can get some on-site footage from behind the wheel.
Whose head was in this?
Logic.
I knew you were gonna say
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Woo! Big
You
wheel
look cool in it.
spinning.
Like that shirt. Like check out the shirt.
Oh yeah, new merch drop.
Like that looks cool on the back of a drift.
We said yes.
She
So
said yes to the dress.
turn it on.
Wait, let me get. Whoa!
car. Come on, chase car.
Send it, bro.
That's a nice
Send
play
it, bro.
too there.
No excuses.
Yeah,
We're gonna go for the full liner,
Oh,
right?
first pull.
It's kind of cool. It
It
has.
doesn't have enough momentum to continue to carry, so you have to go like really fast to do like
So
a
that was,
huge drift.
and that was max speed.
And that's like max angle too. It looks like you're like full lock.
Untouched, right? Stock, but yeah, I was at full lock, but you can manji pretty cool,
Yeah.
right? But it definitely needs a steering angle mod.
Oh,
Definitely.
that's what I'm looking at. What can we do
Right.
to make an angle kit for this thing? Well,
Typical
it's having to
drifters, huh?
notch this
Yeah, you need to notch that.
and pull an SLR fab
Well,
on
those are
this
just
thing.
like, maybe these limiters can come off. Is that better?
I can
Now we
do
got
more.
we got angle
We
kit
just
now.
got more angle. Oh, it might do some wise fab. Oh, this seat though ain't it? It's not it. All that front hot, bro. It needs to go so much faster.
Yeah, it needs
This
to-
thing would be amazing with more speed.
Like 1,000 watt.
Oh, no, just I can't wait to see the battery
Yeah, just the
upgrade on
battery
this.
upgrade, yeah.
Yeah, because that was like super
Now we
fun.
need to ride the
Oh,
stock.
come on,
Let me
Oh,
put the
it's
battery
super
on.
intuitive.
All right, you seen those two kids rip it? Let me show you how to stunt. Double heel clicker.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's got a front brake.
This man already saying, I don't know. I don't know. I know.
Is it recording?
Is there any juice left in this thing? The scrimlet himself. Casey Jr.
Do you want this to be your new chase car?
Hey,
Yeah, where are you going?
don't mess my hair up.
He's not used to being on camera.
Front brakes need a little adjusting.
Get that nut shot, boy.
Camel toe?
It's got no sauce! Stunting on him, boy.
Nice, ready, be steady.
It's fun, it needs more power.
It needs more power, yeah, because like you want to pull out of that big drift.
Yeah.
And it just, it
I
doesn't.
feel the.
Yeah, so let's show
We almost
them
got run
the
over by-
sauces.
God, huh?
Left foot brake mod.
I like it.
I just unplugged it and
And
now
it works
we can hit
still,
the
yeah.
brakes and
Yeah.
give it gas at the same time.
Alrighty, so as you guys watched us just rip this thing into stock fashion, we all find that, you know, we are grown adults, so it doesn't have enough power to pull us through the drift. So we've got our 48 volt plug and play upgrade to put into the cart, right? So essentially you're just gonna pop this back here, right? And you got
Just
two
like
wing
that.
nuts, right? So your wing nuts are gonna loosen up. All right, that one's out. So then you got your big connector here. So this is your battery harness connector. So that's gonna unplug here. You're You're gonna grab these batteries and they're gonna come out here. That. So now we're gonna put this battery in here with the connector facing us because it'll be the fuse if you ever need to get to that. And then you're gonna just plug in your harness here. So this has got a plug and play harness. Everything is just gonna tuck in nicely. And then we're gonna put in our tie down.
Show them the mod I just did.
That was so easy.
All right, so this is the brake sensor right here. So Razor's got this, so you can't hold the brake and gas at the same time. So in drifting, normally we left foot brake as we come into turns to hold the front end or suck it in essentially. So here now Ryan was riding it and he's like, oh, we definitely should do that. So that was a quick fix. And
yeah, just unplug that brake
How
plug.
do you identify which one's the brake one? It's red and black.
It's red and black.
So
it's
it's the
a
wider
large,
one.
wider 2-wire. These are the skinny 2
Yeah.
wires. This is the wider 2-wire, red and black.
yeah, so the one thing, rule of thumb, the reason that's there is because you're not supposed to hold the brake and hold the throttle at the same time because you can burn the motor up. So that goes with you unplugging that. You now need to not do that. That's why that's there. All right.
Ride at your own risk.
Ride at your own risk. So let me
Great
just
risk comes great
let me get this all the way tied down. So the battery's in there nice. Not gonna slosh around.
Whoa.
Right?
Oh, let's hear a rip, dude.
Pull up the front wheel.
You
and give it a
ready?
spin.
You ready? Oh my
Seems
god.
pretty feisty. All right.
Oh yeah.
I'm
It's
gonna-
okay, go.
Yo, the burnout is pretty sick. It's so fast now.
Let's go. Dude, the front wheel hop is insane.
Yeah.
Yo, so look, it's also starting to push these things off.
It's like fast.
And then I feel like we're gonna burn this
Oh yeah,
tire.
look at it.
Yeah, we can get
Yeah,
like a
we're
nicer
gonna
BMX
last
tire.
Yeah, we need to get like a good.
That's it.
It's
Yeah, because
way
you still
better.
lost speed
Yeah, like
in
coming through
the
there.
sideways drift.
Ow.
Ow! Look at the dent.
There it goes.
Thank you, kind sir. Look at that, Casey.
Wow.
Wow.
Sorry,
Dent in the ankle.
but I want to show you have a good ride.
That was terrifying. That was terrifying.
Yo, that was
I didn't even
watching,
use the brake because I'm not used to having brakes.
watching you go towards the guardrail.
That was terrifying.
Wheel's about to fall off.
Oh no!
The heel toe.
The heel toe. I've been working on the rail.
Nice.
My turn. The best POV in the house. All right, you guys saw me heel toe the sleeves back on. See what it's like? Oh, Mother Nature!
本当にすごい。Oh, 頑張れ頑張れ。
So what do you guys all think?
Oh, it's super fun.
Pretty awesome.
Now it's fun.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a totally new dynamic the way it drives. You know, it kind of has less room for like saving yourself at last moment. Kind of like the crazy car gives you that ability to control like sideways momentum and forward momentum. This one, once you throw it, you're in it, and if you're not committed, it's like a gamble.
It's pretty fun though. I like that part about it.
Yeah.
Is that you need to be committed and like in it. Like if you're in a parking lot, it's fine. But obviously, trying to ride it down like a trail, you have no control of the grip. So the sideways, more sideways you throw it, and then let off, it just rotates more.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. The left foot brake ability did help. Yeah, well, anyway, this product is live on our website currently. So it's the same price as the XL battery, and if you do have an XL, it will translate over from each of them. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, basically, check us out on the website, taxi-garage.com. Thank you so much for supporting our videos. It allows us to do cooler things like this, and we keep pushing. So
And stay tuned for more mods.
Pull that tire up, Charlie.
Oh my God. Woo! And that's a wrap.
send it with us!